Once you have your library card, the exciting part comes when you use it. And to use your library card, you can come to the library. You can also visit us online and use your card there in lots of ways. Let's take a look at our website. Down at the very bottom of every page of our website, right in the middle, there's a link to our catalog and to your account. If you log into your account, it links to all of the things that have been done using your library card. If you click on Catalog, it takes you to a listing of all the things our library owns: books, movies, music CDs, even some toys. A catalog is just like what you get at Christmas time when the newspaper comes and then there's a catalog of all the toys you might like to ask for. But here at the library, our catalog shows all of the things you can borrow from us. If you go to the top of each page of our website, in the upper right-hand corner, right up here, there's a red box with a blue bar above it. You can also click on your account up here. And when you do that, you'll be taken to a page and asked to log into your account. You will log into your account using the numbers on the back of your library card. I'm just using a special library account right now. You'll also enter your last name as your password and press submit. And once the page loads, you'll notice your name right up here in the upper right hand in the center blue box. My name for this demonstration is Youth Display. You'll see the items you have on loan. That is all the items that you borrowed and took home. We have these items on display at the library right now, so they're checked out to this account. You'll also see if there's anything that you have saved before or if there might be any money you owe the library. And you know, everything is free to check out from the library, but sometimes if you will return them very, very late, then you will get some fines. You also can see your circulation history, and you can see it for various lengths of time. So if you're wondering whether you've read a book or not, you can look here and see if you've checked it out from the library. Now, it is important to us at the library that we don't know that information. So only the person who has the library card account can see this circulation history. When you are in on this page, you can also navigate over here into our catalog. You can also press home, and that'll take you directly to our catalog link. Now, another way to get there from our website is in the same spot where you clicked on your account, but it is selected as catalog, and you can search the catalog here. So let's see what happens when I do Toy Story and press enter. Oh, so now we're in the catalog, and remember, I'm logged in. Here's my name, Youth Display. But because I have it set to search for keywords, it's searching for anything we own that has the word toy in it. That's a lot of things. Also, it's searching for anything that has the word story in it. And I bet we're looking for the movie Toy Story. So we're going to change keywords to title, because Toy Story is the title of the movie that I would like to see. And we will change the form of the item to a DVD, because I'd like to watch a DVD of it. And then click search. Oh, and look at that. There's Toy Story 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if you came right now, you could check out all 4 of those. And I can tell because right here in each record, it tells you it's available. So all of those, you could come to the library and get off the shelf. Now, if you want to be sure that it's here when you come, just give us a call on the phone, and we will pull those items and put them on our hold shelf for you. Now let's see another popular movie series. My niece loves this one. It's Frozen. I've still got it set to search by title and DVD. Oh, and here we've got Frozen and the Frozen Sing-Along Edition. But did you notice something different on this page? That's right. This one is available, but this one is due on the 4th of September. So it's not here right now. So we could go and pull this one for you and get it ready. But this one, we're going to need you to put on reserve. See this big green button over here? That is what you'll push if you want that item to be on reserve. Now it worked because I'm logged into my account. See where it says Youth Display up there? Remember, that's my name. If I wasn't logged into my account, I wouldn't be able to do it until I logged in. But now I'll get a notice when it's time for me to pick up my movie Frozen, and I'm the first one in line. Q means line. It's a really fun word. Q-U-E-U-E. So I'm the first in the queue. And if you wanted, maybe since you can't come get that movie right now, you wanted to see if we had any books about Frozen, you could change the form and search again. I'm looking for all books that have the word Frozen in their title. And so we're going to get a bunch of things. This one is a teen book. Oh, here are the friends that I was looking for. And it says available. So you could come to the library now and get a Frozen book. So that's just a little bit of an introduction to how to navigate our catalog online. Of course, we'd be happy to show you more. And the best way to learn is always by playing. And you can't break our library catalog. So get your library card and check it all out.